want to give you a quick little tutorial on Trello, which is the online software that we use to keep track of all the course material. You can do it via your desktop, or you can download the app from Trello. Signing up for Trello is free. So when you've received the invite to join the My Body is My Temple board, they call the collection of information, just head over, follow the link and sign up. Once you've signed up, you simply, to come back to it, you log in with your email address, log in, provide the password, and then you will arrive at your dashboard. Our retreat board will be there, so click on it, and this will bring you to the board. The information on the board is organized in lists. Each list represents a day, and I will be populating each day about a day in advance so that we don't get overwhelmed with too much information. So the first thing you should do is really work through the house rules. The idea is that on each list you click on each of the cards, each card's card, and work through it. Some will just have a little bit of information, some will have links, but the really important one is the Zoom live event. The access details for all of the calls and the sessions, they will all have the same access details. So always come back here if you want to log on if you haven't got it stored in your Zoom app. So you work your way through each of the cards for a day, and if you click on these little labels here, you can either switch them on or off. If you, for example, click on a card here, this now has links with additional information, and also if you click on watch here, so you can turn that off or on, it means that you will receive email updates when there is a change to this card. So when I post the link to where you can see the recorded session online, that will appear there, you'll be notified. But if you don't want to, or if someone posts a comment, you will receive an email notification. I don't think it's necessary for you to watch everything. If you know that you come back maybe once or twice a day when you're ready and you have time to go through it, then that should be enough. I want to highlight that the main information in the retreat, the main philosophies that I share, will be transmitted during our live sessions, and the additional cards each day will be maybe supportive links or supportive research or suggestions on what to do. So if you don't have time to go through all of the cards every day, don't stress too much. If you can do the session every day, that will really give you quite a lot of information and quite a lot of practices that hopefully will mean that you will have achieved what you had set out to achieve with joining the course. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this journey with you, and see you tomorrow in the live call.